Welcome back to my channel. Gonna move you a little bit in here. It is Monday and I am getting ready to prep and cook my meals for the week, for dinners, for lunch and dinners. And I will show you guys what I'm gonna be making. Right here, the white quinoa, which you've seen me do this before, or show you guys before, which I'll be making with the ground turmeric, some curry, salt, and water, and that's it. I'm also going to be making the stir-fried cabbage. I don't have a carrots, so I'm just gonna have that, and some scallions with it, some onions and garlic. Okay, and then I'm gonna wash up these tomatoes as well to mix with that. I'm going to roast the broccolini. I love broccolini. They're gonna be I'm gonna mix it with olive oil and some garlic, some onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and that's it. I would need to clean all of these things because you need to wash your veggies before you cook them. I was gonna do this, prep it all up before I start opening the blog, but anywho, we're here now. First, we gotta wash our broccoli. I'm gonna put some gloves on because I have nail polish and I really don't want to destroy my nail polish. Okay. Alright, done. Make sure you give it a good wash, and we're gonna transfer this to a little towel that I prepared. So we're gonna have to move it here before I cut up vegetables and things. What I'm gonna do is cook the quinoa first. All right, so we're gonna let it dry in here. All right, we got the pan, and what I'm gonna do is cook 1 cup of this. 1 cup is pretty much a lot, and I would do, it says 2 cups of water or broth. So I'll boil 2 cups of water. Now that it's in the pan, we are going to wash the quinoa. We have a cup. Usually it bubbles. See that it foams like that? I think it's actually getting close. This is just like when you're cooking a rice, but the thing is you have to watch the quinoa. You need to turn off the heat. Compared to the white rice, you can just put it in the rice cooker and it cooks by itself. But this one, I prefer to do it this way. Yeah, you just gotta be careful not to burn it. And you would have to pretty much kind of stir it around so to make sure that everything is incorporated. Water is boiling. I'm getting a little bit of a treat because why not? All right, she's boiling. We're gonna do ground turmeric, then we're gonna add curry powder, the quinoa. What I do is mix it. Now we're just gonna keep letting it boil until everything kind of puffs up. Cover it up for a little bit. And we have to keep watch of this. Boiling. Boiling. Now it's gonna take a little bit for this to fully pop up. Let me show you guys that. A little bit more, we just keep stirring and cover it back up again. Oven. We're gonna do this for, let's do 380. All right, we're gonna prep that, heat up the oven, and then we're going to kind of chop the broccoli. Let me put you a little bit. Need to take off a little bit of the stems from it. Some people actually use like the whole thing, but I just use like half of it. Okay. That's what I like about these vegetables, because I love them and I can eat them. Actually, this week this would be the vegetables that I'm having, and then I'll have a different kind of vegetable for next week once I finish them all. I'm gonna move the broccolini right here since I can't mix all of this thing. So I'm just gonna line them up and sprinkle some olive oil. I probably need a bigger one. I probably do need a bigger one, but that's fine. We're gonna sprinkle some olive oil. And we're gonna add garlic powder. So you just gotta, ooh. I love the smell of this when it's baking, when it's roasting. And some onion powder. You can add some spices in this too if you want. If you want like a chili pepper flakes, you can do that too. But I just like this seasoning, and they smell good. Some salt. Alright, so this is what the quinoa looks like. It is done. We're just gonna turn it off and set it aside, put it away so it doesn't burn. I'll put this little guy. Alright, 25 minutes for now, and we'll see when it's done. I'm gonna see if I need to add more time. Now to chop up the cabbage. I gotta do some onion also and a cup of garlic because I'm gonna stir fry it. I don't know, I probably would cook this in a wok. Yeah, I probably need to cook this in a wok. That's a lot of dishes. Cooking is a lot of work, and so is prepping your food. But once you're done, you're good for the whole week. Okay. Got onion. Got garlic in there. Those. And the scallions right here. Alright. I'm also doing laundry at the same time. So, anywho, are you guys struggling to find jobs? I was actually watching YouTube about people, you know, getting laid off. People having a hard time trying to find a job. Well, that is me. I don't know how many jobs I've applied for now. Nothing. I've got a couple interviews, but man, it'd be cool to be a content creator, right? And make money, but I don't sell things. I just create content that I thought or I think that would be helpful. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm crying. Oh my God. Okay, the scallions I'm gonna be putting the last minute because I actually like this a little crunchy. I forgot to tell you guys that ever since eating like this with more plants, I am not as bloated, and I noticed that I am not belching as much. I'm not having that acid reflux anymore. So I don't know if there's a correlation with eating high meat and not a lot of fiber with indigestion. Well, it kind of makes sense that I haven't had any stomach issues, no bloating, and no heartburn for some reason, which is awesome for me. We're just gonna let it drain out. You need a little bit of olive oil because it's a lot of vegetable. This is the soy sauce that I'm using. And a little bit of this. Put the garlic in first. And this is gonna smell so good. It's brown. And tomato. Alright, put the cabbage in. Beautiful chunk. The rest of this magic setup in this table. Probably about a tablespoon or two. Yes. Alright, it is done. So basically cook that for 25 minutes only, and I like it. It's kind of crispy on the sides, as you can see, and the broccoli is done. Oh, that looks good. So you can see that it's kind of translucent. It's starting to be translucent at the bottom. That's what you want. Some lemon on this too. If you like to add meat, you can add ground chicken or ground beef, ground pork with this. You can add some spices like chili pepper flakes or the chili oil if you want. But this is perfect for me. Then I'll put the scallions last. Yummy! Oh yes. Gonna mix that up. I am gonna start putting them in the Tupperware so it's easy for me to just take out some for the day and put it back in the fridge. I'm gonna add, you know what I forgot to do? I'm gonna add some sriracha in this. You guys love these. It's yummy. Just gotta, woo-hoo. You can serve this on top of rice or like the quinoa that I made. Alright, you guys, the dinner and lunch meals are prepped for the week. This is not the complete one. I skipped the beans for now because I have to finish the black beans that I have, but this is what it looks like. Yes, that's my broccolini, roasted broccolinis, quinoa, and stir-fry cabbage. And that is what I'm having for the week, and I'm gonna have to clean up my mess. Yay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I would be putting some shorts of how I'm gonna build my plate for probably lunch or probably dinners. If you guys are interested in that, please do follow me. And give this video a thumbs up if you want more food ideas from me. So next week I'm gonna be having a different type of veggies. Please do give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!